guys, it's me. How you doing? Before we start, you have to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications in 5 seconds. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you did it, then give a pat on your back. Now let's actually get started. Woo! So today, we are going to reveal our fidgets. Whoa. Yeah, and that's his already. So first,
If
we
you
have
haven't
this
watched the
marble game.
if you have seen the last video, she already said that I already have this. But whenever I say I'm going home, she freaks out.
I know, right? Okay.
Those were the most springle, slingy.
Okay, so we are going to reveal. Okay, so this is a marble game. I don't know how
This
to play
is
that.
a pop tube.
Wait a second, I think I know.
What? It's like Ludo, you know?
Kind of like Ludo, yeah.
It's kind of
But
like Ludo.
anyways, so then we're gonna, this has marbles in it. Look, I'll show you guys.
Just
How do you?
Oh shit! He scared me. Oh no, Pani no. Ya Pani nahi po dolanu.
So yeah.
Ya bajanu. Good job.
So this is the marble game. Then we have a giant slinky. Well, this is his actually. But I want this, and my mom says no to trade it.
Trading is about lying.
Hey, it's not. And it's so cool though. Like, it's glittery. Look.
She is actually about dreaming of a slinky. She never had one. And I was dreaming
I
about...
did.
Then? Why did it? Why do you
But
want
then
to
I don't have it now, but it was...
See?
I had it before. When I was a little kid, I had it.
A little kid. So it must be like this much.
No. I hate you.
It must be like this long.
Stop, I'm going
And
to...
it should stretch this much.
Stop, I'm going to do this now. Then...
We have the pop tubes.
No, we have Rubik's Cubes. Yeah, it's mixed up. I don't know why. Just don't blame me, okay? I don't know how to fix it up.
I know how to fix it.
Yeah, but just later, okay? And then we have the underwater one.
Ocean.
Yeah, ocean one. I don't care. Okay. And then we have this one. This is actually my favorite one of all. So yeah. Wait. Ah! I'm so happy. Okay, and then we have mini puppets. This is a flower one. Stop it.
Flower.
And this is a bell. Like a jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way.
All is fine, I wish you might easily man.
Stop it. Okay. So, yay. We have... Stop it.
Why don't you?
Oh, my... Guys, you just make crazy. This is mine. Alright. So we have...
So you can show up everything and I can do anything. Wow, so cool.
Okay, I don't know why this doesn't pop properly. But yeah. Some fidgets just fell down. Did you just fart on that?
No.
Okay, anyways. So then we have this plushie. Ah! Look at this plushie. It's like, It's actually a flamingo, but I don't know why it's not shaped like a flamingo. Because it is a flamingo and this cute thing. So yeah.
Avocado bowl.
Then we have... Oh yeah, I forgot to mention other. Look, a mini puppet again.
Hey, I have a catapult. Hey, I have a catapult. Just
Guys, he's playing with this so weird and come back. They can see your foot, you know. So then, I I love this so much. Anyways, then we have.
Hey, give me my slingy back.
This is mine now. And then. Oh yeah, I forgot to. Ow. I hate you. Anyways.
Good job. Now you mixed it up.
No, I can't fix it.
I'll fix it.
Ow, okay. That kind of hurted.
Oh,
But we have. We just dump it out, so it's easier. Wait, where is the ice? Oh yeah, forgot. And then we had this tropical yeah, squishy. That's not even a word. I don't know. It's just a foam squishy. I just keep it. Don't blame me.
I'll blame you.
You blame me? You blame me? You. Okay. And
That
then
does
we have
nothing.
this poppet pouch. Really cute. And then if you want to unpop it, you just open it and then just pop it back.
It's me. See?
Oh,
No.
just like that. Really cute stuff. And I still have this one, but this one kind of looks like an AirPod case. But it doesn't pop. Like, look. It does, but then it pops back. See?
It's like the sound quality's bad.
No. The sound quality is good, but like it pops back. And yeah. So yeah. Yeah, I popped that one. So yeah, I just like it, but I like it so you don't have to like open it and pop it back. Like, so yeah. But you know what I do? Like, I literally put something in here and here, and then I just hang it. I just open this and then hang it here. But then when I don't want to, I just take it out because this is much better.
Wow, I tangled it even more. No, I did not.
Yeah, so kind of works like a bracelet thing. So yeah. Next we have. Okay, let me just take this off. Next we have this purple poppet. Look, it sounds very nice. It's very loud on both sides. So look.
And tell the story that one of her friends tricked her, and then she was so mad and don't remember. One of the girls tricked you. One of your friends. I don't know.
What friends?
Like your friend. No, you told it. You told it.
Oh, okay, I remember.
Jonathan tricked you.
Do you know, guys? See ya later.
What?
See ya, I'm going later.
Okay, so Ruthie just left. As you can see, there's no Ruthie sound, and she always laughs.
Yo, I'm right here! Did I scare you guys? Did I scare you? I hate myself.
Of course you do. See, she always
And then
laughs. Like,
I had this Mickey Mouse puppet, and it's very quiet. It's really quiet.
Because of you, my sling is entangled. Entangled. Because of
Wait.
you.
Wait.
My sling.
What is this?
Give it.
Oh, wait.
Now
I
you're just
think I
messing
did it.
up. No, just give it. Wow, you tangled it more. Wait, what? It's from that loop. Let me try to fix this part. Yes?
Anyways, so yeah, it's pretty. Put your foot away. Put your foot away.
Now you're making us. Pop is bad.
Look, it's really bad, guys.
Because she slapped me with that poppet.
No, because look, it's so quiet. Like,
No, it's not. Every poppet mostly are quiet.
but this is a loud side. That's why. Or else it wouldn't be like that. Like, look, again.
So I have to ask my sister.
From what?
Because she tangled it. Now I don't know how to do it. So I have to ask my sister.
So that is it for today. Just kidding. We have some marbles in here. Like, look, there's so many marbles. Even have it in there and now in here. Bro. Okay. Oops.
Okay, I'm gonna help you.
So we, yeah. Do you have them?
Come on. Yes. A little bit more.
Bigs, big, big.
Can someone help me?
Small, small, and small.
Can you help me to untangle this?
Yeah, just wait. Okay, we only have pop tubes left. I have so many pop tubes. I brought my cousin sis. You know, like my friend, she
Try this.
tried to trade me this really good circle poppet for a poppet that one of the pops didn't have a pop. Like, example, this pop gone and all the others is just there. That's such a scam, guys. And then I said, like, no, give it back. And then she wouldn't. And then I just snatched it from her. Like,
That's a really good thing to do.
yeah, like, she wouldn't get it back. And then we have pop tubes.
That's
Love them.
pop tubes are actually my favorite, but slingies are
He's
her
really happy because I gave him a pop tube.
No, I'm not.
No, you're not.
No, I'm not.
Why?
Because you mixed up a slingy.
Gosh. Okay, let me help you. What is this? Why did you mess it up more?
You did it.
Okay.
Now I have to tell my sister to do it.
Okay, so we have pop tubes, and I'll see you next time. Bye,
See-
guys.
Bye.